Prince 11 need 153 runs. And I once again repeat, umpires have started walking down the ground. I request the batsmen to please walk onto the ground, please, to commence the last innings. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for the very last time, you see umpires walking down, players walking down. This is the final of Mangalore Premier League, and Prince 11 requires 153 runs in 20 overs. Can we have an ovation, please? Giving all of them the final welcome as they walk down the pitch to play the last innings.
Yes, Dinesh, this is going to be the final time. And it's unique strikers, they have to defend 152 on the board. What the Prince 11 Manipal going to do is try to chase it in the 120 board balls what they got with 10 safe wickets in their hands, and you can see the colourful jerseys, two opener batsmen for Prince 11 Manipal walking right at the centre.
Who's the batsman, guys? Rajesh, batsman kone?
Rajesh and Abhishek.
Who's Ritesh and Abhishek?
Strike.
Opening couple, Ritesh and
Abhishek.
Abhishek and Ritesh. Two openers for Prince 11 Manipal. They got 120 balls to face, 152 runs to chase, 10 safe wickets in their hands. The 6 overs of mandatory power play as per the format. Won the toss, unique strikers. Lost wickets frequently, even got 152. Count in the 5 table one. Now time to defend. Nelson with the ball. The scorers are ready. The umpires are ready. The second half of the game. Here we go. Got high up in the air. A fielder down there will land safe. And the first run for the Prince 11 Manipal, in the form of an aerial shot from the bat of Ritesh. He gets off the mark and just started the scoreboard moving. Nelson Pinto, the bowler, the strike bowler for unique strikers. Abhishek on strike now. Another over. Nelson Pinto, the strike bowler. First over of unique strikers innings. Keeper Rasik very close up to the stump. Full protection. On the offside, Hansini Day, a stylish defend by Abhishek, nothing to addition. What we need is a good start in this run chase. And from the other end, the unique striker required a couple of very quick breakthroughs. Second run into the count. That was from the bat of Abhishek. Both the batsmen against the
Nine,
52 run to chase. Here comes Ritesh on strike again. Gets over, and over the rope. The first six on the bat of Prince 11 Manipal. Got the chance, the short ball by Pinto, asking for punishment, and he sent it in a right direction over the rope. First six on the bat of Ritesh, first of Prince 11 innings. And with the sixers, score moves on to 8 for no loss, the first over of the game. And a shot in the hands of the fielder. Protection on the offside. Still there is a third place. No man on the onside. Monteiro makes the right use of his stage. Pinto under pressure. Very first over itself. This time again in the air for a while. Find the man in the deep, long off region. Into business. Could stop at single run tradition as well. With a single score is 9. End of the first over. 1-6 in from the bat of Ritesh. 9 for no loss. Prince 11 Manipal. Stein opens his arm again into the gap. It's a very good outfield and he's going to make use of it to the start of the innings. But another boundary to his account. They are getting a very good start. They are expressing the will, they are expressing what they are going to do. In the beginning of the mandatory power play, another boundary. Second boundary. And with this boundary goes up to 13 for no loss. Prince 11 Manipal was from the bat of Ritesh. Moves on to 10 runs, 11 runs from his bat so far. 12 from his bat so far. 1-6 and 1 boundary. Bada Parmawar, the bowler, then Chilton up. Very good all-rounder in the side. Pacer for the unique strikers. Got experience, got skill, talent, young and dynamic as well. He didn't went that effective with his bat today. Got plenty of job to do with the ball. Bada Parmawar. See where he gets started to bowl. Long enough, very far. Goes high. And one ball was in the hands of the fielder. Good stop at the end. Very good piece of fielding. 1 run to addition. With the single score is 14 for no loss. Prince 11 Manipal. Chasing 153 runs to win this final game, the last game, the grand finale of Mangalore Premier League, edition number 1, here at Ajman Oval Cricket Ground. Second over in progress, first from Bada's spell. Ritesh and Abhishek are these two opener batsmen for Prince 11 Manipal. Stylish defend into the gap. Made the use of the pace of the ball, a huge chase for the fielder and gets in time into business. Manages to stop some runs for his team. Shown that is a very good athlete. It was a very stylish shot from the bat of Abhishek. 2 runs being conceded. With this couple, score is 16. They're scoring at a very excellent rate. On no loss, Prince 11 Manipal. Good start so far for them. Again, the onside this time. Taking the strike in the meanwhile. Second over in progress. Baba into his first over. The score is 16 on the board for no loss. In the chase of 153 runs against the unique strikers from the toss today. Holden right on the stump after clicking his pads. First wicket goes, the first breakthrough for unique strikers. Ubada backs the wicket. Strikes very, very early in his first over itself. The man who was scoring runs quite easily just departed. He bowled by Ubada. The first breakthrough for unique strikers. Ritesh departs. And they are into a very good start. Unique strikers after taking a wicket. And I was talking, such a fine fine bowler and batsman. He has done his job. In his very first over, Ritesh walks out, scoring 13 runs from 8 ball what he faced. 1 6 and 1 boundary in his innings. Short but sweet. Baba gets a wicket. 2 overs, 17 for 1. Prince 11 Manipal.
जी अरे कुछ बोलो ना अभी सुन भाई बोलो ना कुछ
यार थके हुए हैं
बोलो नेल्सन आप तो स्कोरिंग कर रहे हो मजा आ रहा है
नहीं उसमें ही
किसमें कर रहा है
आईपैड नहीं करा ना मैं कर रहा हूँ मैं कर रहा हूँ ये लाइव है जो पूरा अपडेट्स होता है ना फिर मुझे बताना उसका कॉलेज भी है राइट
Right, so this is the third over. Nelson is bowling. Tries to take the England route. Should be a boundary and rightly so. Very, very nicely hit. Now I think it's been a very, very aggressive start from Prince 11. We're down 2.1 overs and they've already scored 22 runs. Though they have lost 1 wicket, but by all standards, it's an aggressive start by Prince 11. And I must say, unique strikers are not defending a very good total, so they have to be very, very careful with the kind of start Prince 11 has made here. No runs over, and that was pretty interesting.
जमाल भाई
All right, so we are in the third over. 22 runs scored so
इधर
far.
आ जाओ आ जाओ फूड स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय चावड़ी रेस्टोरेंट बोला स्पॉन्सर्ड नहीं
Well, it's a strike. The ball goes on to Lividon. Nicely cut off for 1 run.
नौला गया मतलब पार्टनर वो छोड़ो उनको नहीं लाया ना हमको चावड़ी रेस्टोरेंट बोलते हैं चावड़ी रेस्टोरेंट ऐसा डालो उसको बोलेगा मुझे अरे क्या रे
Oh, this is a good bowling. This is a good bowling.
कितना
They've got a slow left arm bowler. Just get the feeling he might do the trick here. Watch out for the space.
चावड़ी रेस्टोरेंट तो बड़े नहीं नहीं
Huge appeal, still appealing. And at the end, the decision right went in the favor of the batsman.
पार्टनर करना
हाँ करता है हाँ हाँ
Typical trying shot. The umpire signaling as a white ball away from the off stump. 1 run into account of the Prince 11 Manipal. The single score is 24 for 1. Stands defend, nothing to addition. Top ball and very short sweet over comes to an end. Nelson Pinto completed his second over, countering it. So 3 gone, 24 for 1. Prince 11 Manipal. It's not at all easy to put up a contest like this, to put up a series, organize sporting events like this. A lot of commitment, coordination, and sponsorship as well. Got a food partner, Chowli Restaurant, committed really well. Sponsored, as food sponsor for the Manipal Premier League, the first edition. Chowli Restaurant.
पडला आहे तो पडून झाला
Restaurant.
तिथवर जाईल
Good
नंतर
part of the sporting event. And meanwhile, Wada will continue his spell.
गाडी
He will put up with 4 over. This is the second over.
तिशी नाही ते हे आहे
He's spinning power of bat, going down the track. It's a very quick outfield. That was on the bat of the batsman. And a boundary. Matter in what form it comes. Start of the inning, Prince 11 Manipal like to make themselves safe by putting up some runs on the board. Very quick runs without losing much wickets. And Bada started his second over. The boundary score is 28 now for the loss of 1 wicket. Keeper Rasik. The ball, a comeback delivery by Ubada. Keeping it low in this occasion. Yeah, a little away.
Alright, so 28 for the loss of 1 wicket after 3.3 overs. Abhishek Kanchan is the batsman and Veda is the bowler. 28 for 1. It's a bit of an appeal and we will wait for umpire signal. The score is 28.
मैं तो देख रहा हूँ मुझे नहीं बोल रही है इससे पहले 24 था
24 था वो 28 डाला था
28
डाला था पहले बाद बाउंड्री गए
तो तुम्हारा
Where?
अरे जाग रहा हूँ
Alright, score 29 at the end of 4th over with a loss of 1 wicket. So far Prince 11 looking strong. Unique striker scored earlier 152 for the loss of 7 wickets. And therefore Prince 11 have to score 153 with a run rate of just slight over 7.5. Abhishek Kanchan batting strong at 14. Farhan yet to open his books. Nelson Pinto bowled 2 overs earlier and conceded 16. And Ubada 2 overs and gave away 13 runs.
बॉलर कौन है भाई?
So it's Vikrant bowling to Abhishek. Let's see how the contest unfolds. Oh, gives a full swing of the bat, and I can see the LCD stumps lighting up. We'll have to wait for the umpire's signal there. No, nothing. Alright, 1 down of this over. There you go, second ball, trying to shy the stump, no. 1 was the call and rightly sent away. 2 down from Vikrant Shetty, 2 dot balls. And as I said, this is the most interesting phase of the match. 29 so far, Vikrant to Abhishek. Oh, should be 1. No, there's a bit of a misfield. And it will be cut away nicely at the point. A little bit towards the deep point and 1 run. So the score moves on to 30 for the loss of 1 wicket. And we can hear the noise of jet A Airbus probably 319 above the ground. There we go. Nice timing. 2 fielders onto it. It should be come on in the deep wicket, and yes, it does. 2 very important runs. These guys are scoring in a nice manner and are trying to be consistent. Farhan and Abhishek, the partner seems to be working so far. 32 for the loss of 1 wicket. 4.4 overs bowled so far. Vikrant to Farhan. Oh, he tries to play it well. Very good stride forward. No run, but that demonstrates the kind of confidence Farhan is having, which is definitely a good sign for Prince 11. Last ball of the over. Oh, very nicely played as well. Should go to the mid-on fielder. We don't have a mid-on fielder, but should be cut away very, very nicely by long on. So as the score stands at the end of 5th over, Prince 11 have scored 33 runs and have lost only 1 wicket. Farhan is batting at 3, Abhishek is batting at 15, and Vikrant gave away 4 runs in his first spell for 1 over. Ubeda has bowled 2 overs so far and has given away 13 runs at the run rate of 6.5 per over. Alright, so there's the bowling from the Mosque end. What have I done? Ubada bowling his 3rd over.
स्ट्राइकर कौन है भाई?
So Ubeda bowling to Farhan. Oh, did not take the off-star, man. White signal by the umpire. Just can't believe Ubeda might be getting carried away. Definitely unique strikers are under pressure. They aren't really defending a big total. They only managed to score 152 for the loss of 7 wickets in their allotted quota of 20 overs. And Prince 11 so far going very, very strong. a full swing of the bat it again, and this is the second wide, and I'm sure Ubada will not be happy with his line and length. Now that gives Prince 11 very welcoming couple of runs, and he is still the first legal ball to be bowled in this over. So in all, a very good start by Prince 11 so far. Oh, that should be one. Yeah, there is a short third man, so he should pick it up. And the first. There was a bit of a bat, and that goes for a welcome boundary in the third man. I just got the feeling they should have been stopped, but then a very welcome boundary for Prince 11, and the score quickly moves on to 39 for the loss of 1 wicket. It appears unique strikers are in pressure. Prince 11 have scored so far 39 runs. Very quick 39 runs indeed, with only 5.2 overs. Ubada to Farhan. Wow, that was a very good protected shot. The ball goes straight to covers and no run conceded. Shots like this does give a lot of confidence to the batting side that they have got a very good eye on the ball, and they can then start the onslaught in terms of hitting big sixes and fours. Ubada to Farhan. That was a nice swing. Oh, cut again at the covers. Now this is an interesting field setup. Very aggressive one. You have a short third man, you have a backward point, you have cover, and you also have extra cover on the offside. On the leg side, you have a fine leg, and then you have a mid-on as well. So that gives a very good coverage in terms of the fielding department. Oh, should be one run. Yes, was a big close. And I was just told by my scoring partner that the previous ball which was stopped at the cover was actually a drop catch. And I repeat, I was just told by my scoring partner that the previous ball was actually a drop catch at the covers. That gives one lifeline to Prince 11.
Last time
that's a very good cricketing shot onto the deep extra cover, and we'll wait for the umpire's signal. Hit right at the middle of the bat. The ball raised to deep extra cover for a very welcome boundary. And Prince 11 moved to 44 runs at the end of 6 overs. 44 runs at the end of 6 overs.
हाँ यार बजाओ कुछ, कहाँ हो यार तुम्हारा? तुम जोश में नहीं हो यार। तो 4 चक्का बजाओ यार, ऐसे मत करो। नहीं आई तो जवानी कहाँ से आई?
There we go. Prince 11 44 for the loss of 1 wicket at the end of 6 overs. People who have just joined in, just to quickly give you the summary of the match, unique strikers Bhaskar earlier won the toss, elected to bat first and scored 152 for the loss of 7 wickets. चलो नाचो ना, जाओ थोड़ा नाच दो।
Okay, we see, guys, can we just hold on? We see some kids playing right adjacent to the boundary. Rope, can we request all the parents to catch hold of the kids, please? Just for their own safety. We'll just give a second of a pause to the match and ensure the kids are away from the scoring area. All the parents are requested to please take care of their kids. We can start, please. Oh, that's a nice stroke. That's a nice stroke. Being cut off at deep extra cover. So we have got an interesting fielding. We do not have a long off, but we do have deep extra cover. We do have a long on.
यार वो एक्स्ट्रा कवर के तरफ है यार.
Oh, that was a missed one. But good bowling. Vikram bowling to Abhishek Kanchan, who is in 90, who has already scored 19 runs and seems to be in good touch. That's a good one. Good line and length being bowled by Vikrant Shetty.
क्या पानी के लिए
Really well at this time. Prince 11 Nepal. As per the rhythm, as per the requirement, with the flow at this time. We need strikers to strike back again. We want to conquer this game. Going as per the plan for Manipal. We are 6